Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can fix Free Fire Facebook login problem. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Play Store and search for Free Fire and update your Free Fire app game, and then you need to open Free Fire. Once you open Free Fire, so now it is starting, and once it is start, you simply need to wait for a few seconds. Okay, now it is completed, and when you are on the home page, click on sign in with Facebook. Once you click on that, you can see that this option is working, and then you need to click on continue with your name. Okay, so now it is working. So by following these steps, you can easily fix Free Fire Facebook login problem. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.